All right, so got a slight problem with this dresser drawer. This bottom keeps popping out. As you can see, you know, it's just hardboard basically. Now pop back into its slot down here, but I'm gonna get a more permanent fix on this. And it looks like the dovetails may be coming a little loose over here. It's funny how they put all this effort into dovetails, but then they put this cheap hardware and bottom on here. So let's get at it. So what I failed to mention there in the beginning, or nagged at for the last 2 years to fix this drawer, and finally the drawer actually got stuck in the dresser. So I figured it was about time to go ahead and do this. And this whole task only took about 20 minutes at the most. It was really quick and easy. And the key here is being able to remove that trapped bottom on this drawer. You have to cut out the slot in the back of the drawer so you can slide the old panel out and make a new one and slide the new one in, and then screw the back to the back of the drawer, if that makes any sense. And yeah, call it a day. So if it ever breaks again, all you gotta do is unscrew the back, slide out the old panel, put in a new one. Anyways, pretty simple fix. Thanks. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below. Appreciate your time.